Hi everyone, welcome to Gnan Cloud Garage. In this session, I'm going to talk about how can we understand employment options in USA, United States of America. So the USA offers a wide range of employment arrangements to meet the needs of both employers and employees. So types of employment arrangements, most commonly we know that it's a full-time. Full-time is nothing but employees are permanent staff members to organizations. Like if you are selected for a VMware, Hewlett Packard Enterprise, Microsoft, AWS, that is nothing but you are already a full-time employee or permanent staff. It's like a standard work schedule with benefits and typically involves ongoing roles and responsibilities within your selected organization. Okay. And another employment arrangement is contract W2. This is also similar to traditional employer and employee relationship, but employer withholds taxes and provide benefit, and employees receive a W2 form summarizing earnings and taxes withheld. Okay, it means if you are selected for any main organizations, for example, you selected for Amazon, but Amazon is not like a direct payroll. In between, there is a one staffing agency will run the payroll to the employee. Okay. Another option, corp to corp. In short form, we call it as C2C. So here also it involves corporations, not only one staffing agency. There may be a two staffing corporations involved. So involves corporation contracting with each other for services. So contractors establish a separate legal entities for business activities. So within the C2C, it offers flexibility and tax advantages for businesses. So some scenarios, if you're holding any of the H1B visa or OPT visa, you can choose depends on your staffing agency, or you can choose a full-time or contract W2 or corp to corp, any options. Okay. And another option is contract independent. So contract independent is like a individual provide services to clients or company. This is mainly for who are holding the US green card. They are eligible for the contract independent. So independent contract, or we can also call it as a freelance work. We can receive at the end of your work or your project, we will receive a form 1099 NEC summarizing earnings. So 1099 form NEC means it's like a non-employment compensation. Okay. Now coming to another option, employment arrangement is direct hire. So direct hire means it's like a employers hire employee directly into the permanent position. But here only scenario is bypassing the staffing agencies or any of the no middlemen within the direct hire. But the end of this direct hire, what is the benefit to employees? Employee become a full-time staff member from the outset. Okay, that is a benefit of direct hire. And another option is temporary employment. The name itself says temporary. Generally, this option involves the working for a special period. Like suppose if you are doing a data center migration from on-premises to cloud, either public cloud or private cloud, whatever the cloud it is. So until the migration completes, that is like a temporary employment. And another example is if you are performing any of the updates or upgrade, the project is assigned for 6 months only to finish until the product updates and upgrade. That is another example. Excuse me. Within a temporary employment, it may be hired directly or through the staffing agencies, and it offers a flexibility for employers and employees. And another option is contract. Even contract also similar to temporary employment, but there is a slight variation. Like workers hired under contract agreements and can be a specific project or specific duration. Sometimes contract will be 12 months. Some scenario, it's like a 24 months or 36 months. So received compensation based on contract terms. Okay. And last but not the least, the option is C2H. C2H means corp to hire. So corp to hire arrangement means mainly contractors initially hired on a temporary basis, and there is an option to convert to permanent employees after evaluation period. Some organization they may have evaluation period minimally 3 months, some may have 6 months. Okay, but so this is the overview of employment options available in United States of America. And finally, each arrangement offer a unique advantages and considerations, and choosing the right one depends on individual visa and also their needs and circumstances. Okay, and in the following slide, I'm just showing you one example. Suppose if you search a job employment option in US from the job portals, like you can search from a LinkedIn, Dice, Indeed, or any other job third-party job portals, you will find the options like this. Suppose one overview here is location can be hybrid. That means few days you can work remote and few days you can work from office. That is called hybrid. Sometimes they will mention only on-site. That means we have to work only on the directly work from office only. There will be no work from home option. And the salary can be, it depends on experience, years of experience. And the options, whatever we discuss now, employment options, you can find here. Accept corp to corp, C2C applications, contract W2, contract independent, that means it's a green card holder. And some are like a contract for certain period, 12 months. And sometimes the organization will provide a sponsorship visa, either OPT or they will provide a H1B. Okay. So hope you understand the employment options in United States of America. So that's it. Thank you. If you're watching this video first time, please do view, like, share, and subscribe to the Gnan Cloud Garage channel. If you're already subscribed, I appreciate all your support. Bye for now.